Weaverface, hanging out with my garage door opener here. This is the Liftmaster belt drive garage door opener model 8550. And a few days ago this thing started beeping and I was like, what is going on? There's the beep, and you hear that beep every 30 seconds because it turns out that the rechargeable battery in there is low and it needs to be replaced. And when I bought this, I didn't even know that it had that feature, but it has that rechargeable battery so that, you know, if your power goes out in your house, you can still use the, you know, your garage door opener to open up the garage door. So yes, I don't know of any setting to turn off the beeping other than replacing the battery. If you guys know of a way to stop the beeping, please comment in the comment section below. Couldn't find anything in the manual about it other than replacing the battery. So that's what we're gonna do today. I got this battery from eBay. It was about 15 bucks shipped. It's not an official Liftmaster battery though. The manual does say to use an official one, but this one had lots of good reviews on eBay, so that's the one I'm going with. Because this is just an added nuisance that we need to take care of as cheaply and as efficiently as possible. So let's get rid of the beeping, let's get the old battery out of there, get the new battery in there, and get this thing back to square one. Alright, first thing we're going to do is unplug the garage door opener, and I have the plug up here in the top of the ceiling. Alright, so it's unplugged. Now we're going to take the plastic covering off. Just kind of unhooks from the top. And then there's like a little latch that holds it in there. So this is the area of the battery. If you're looking at your garage door, it's on the right side. And it says caution, attention. And then there's a single screw down here towards the bottom. That's a Phillips head, so we're going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to open that up. So there's really only like one way to put it in, and there's a positive and negative. So you got a black wire going in through the top terminal, red wire going in through the bottom terminal. So you're going to pull the battery out, put the new battery in, and then put the black terminal on the top and the red on the bottom, and pull it out using the wires. They're on there pretty good, so just loosen them up a little bit. Okay. So old battery is removed. Let's put in the new one. The new battery has protective plastic pieces on the top, so we're going to take that off. I'm going to put the battery in the same way. Okay, and remember, black's going in on the top, red's going in on the bottom. I'll pull the battery back out to get them in a little bit easier. Push them in a little bit. All right. Now we're going to replace the battery cover. Light cover snaps into place. We're gonna plug it back in. So here we are on the other side of the garage door opener. This is the left side if you're facing your garage door from your garage. And where all the wires come in, there's actually a green light right here. Now when I first put the battery in, the new battery in, that was flashing, which means that the battery is charging. But it didn't take too long. It's now a solid green light. And what that means is that the battery is fully charged and ready to go. So there you have it, guys. I hope this video was very informative and helpful to you. It really was so easy to do. It took me less than 5 minutes. And all you need is a Phillips head screwdriver, a ladder, and a new battery to replace the old one that wasn't holding a good charge anymore. And most importantly, we're beep free. There's no more beeping. I was hearing the beeps in my sleep. Oh, that's such a peaceful sound right now. So amazing. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and take care.